Hi everyone. Today I have a project share for Valentine's. So I have yet to really decide on what to do as the title of this, of the cover, but I am debating because I do want to put a title, but I think this is just pretty enough that I don't need to add anything else. This album was inspired by Karolina'sKrafts, and I'll put the link. And she also had the inspiration with, I think it was LMS Crafty Creations who did the tutorial. So I'll link both of their YouTube channels on the description on the bottom of this video. But let me go ahead and share with you guys. So this album measures about, I think it's 7.25 by 6.75, and the spine is about 6.75 by 2, and I'm using chipboards and cardstock to create this. So for the front cover, on the back of it, I'm saying, so I put some magnets on here, but I think the papers that I used was too thick, but it's not really sticking. As you could see, there's a magnet here. There's a what you call it, ephemera that I put on here. But I did, use this so you can have pictures on the back or journaling. But yeah, it's not sticking. So I probably use a different brand of magnet, or next time my mistake was I used I bought these from Amazon, and they're this square magnet, but I cut it in half because I thought it would be too bulky if I just put this huge square in there, but I think I needed it to have the same and left it as the same size, but that's what I'll do next time. So I'm going to show you some of my mistakes as well. This is my first time creating this album. I've been making mini albums like for over 10 years. So for this pattern itself, this is my first time. So yeah, I'll show you my mistakes. So instead of me cutting the paper to the size of the cardboard, the chipboard here, I went over, and I don't know what distracted me, but I just went ahead and glued it on there and used my glitter, art glitter glue, and I only noticed that it was popping out is when I start turning the pages. But I was like, oh my gosh, so next time I'll just trim that little bit there, but it should be fine. And so some more ephemeras, and the reason why I have these red mini clothespin is because sometimes I change my mind. Maybe I just want the picture to be here and nothing else on the side or anything. So that's the reason why I can always add it if I want to, and then remove it if I don't want to. And that's how it looks. And again, some more of the ephemeras here. And as you open it, there's some more on the back of these. You can also make it a tag and journal on the back. But isn't that so cute? And so this album, okay, so there's 3 signatures in here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have to have at least a whole bunch of papers. For me, I had to have like 3 to almost 4 designer papers in here, because I used the K & Company Circus Valentine, the K & Company Valentine specialty papers, and I also use the Simple Stories from my haul for the, what do you call it, the cut-aparts, as well as the tuck-in stuff. And then I also use the Martha Stewart Valentine paper. So I'll go through the pages and I'll show you guys. So these are from the K & Company Valentine specialty paper, as well as these and these. So they're really cute. And then there's this, so there's this pocket here, and I use, I just corner around at the edges with my punch, and then I snapped a little heart on here to go with the theme, and it just sticks back in there like so. And that's more journaling or more photos if you want. You can add some more paper on there too if you want, but I think it's fine. So here, and then there you go. And then the back part has this pocket here, so you can add little trinkets in here, whatever, and you open it, there's some more pages for more. So there's plenty of room for pictures. And then another pocket and some more journaling and ephemera if you want. So that is that brand. And then on this one that's coming up, these are the cut aparts from the Simple Stories Best Year Ever in February. Those are the cut aparts. So this side here, this is the K & Company Circus Valentine. And oh my goodness, isn't this so cute? It's so pretty, again, with the pull out thing here. So it goes in there like so. Oops, what am I doing? Okay, there you go. And again, as you can see, let's see if you could see over here. I'm standing on my, well, not standing, but I'm leaning against my chair over here, so. All right. And here I use my Sizzix, it's the Sizzix, what is this? It's called Sizzix File Folder number 2. And that's what I use. But you guys can use your silhouettes or whatever if you guys have that. But yeah, I just think it was cute. So you can put some more journaling, some more smaller pictures in there if you want. But just a lot of room and space for journaling and pictures. Again here. Isn't that cute that it matched this? So here it's another, this is the one I was talking about, like the Valentine. I don't know what brand this is, but I know it's K & Company, but it was in my stash. So it's these flowers that I made with like Prima flowers like 10 years ago. So I incorporated that as well. And as you can see, it's just so cute. Yeah, these are all handmade flowers. Like, you know, as you could see 10 years ago, I did some tutorials on there as well. And again, another tuck-in or file thing that you put inside the pocket and just use the tab punch to do so. Some more journaling and some more cut aparts. And these are the Martha Stewart paper line. So it looks like this, and it just stamped on there, Happy Valentine's Day, February 14th. And it's just so, so cute. I love it. And this one says February, and then some more again, like journaling in the back. So you pretty much have a whole bunch. And there's a pocket as well. And, you know, you can put some other stuff on here. Reason being why I don't put anything on the top anymore is sometimes when people look through your albums, the front part always gets messed up. And I'm scared like my girls will probably like rip up the flower, or if I decide to embellish it with some blings, but I'm debating on it because I think it's pretty enough. And here, like I said, how I did this paper was too long. Well, this paper was too short. So when I binded this, so I don't know if you guys saw that at the dollar store, they have a whole bunch of those ribbon things. And I said, wow, perfect. So that's what I used over here for this gold trim here. Isn't that cute? It gives that little flare and that little bling kind of color in there. Makes it all trendy. But yeah, that is my album. It's a flip album. I think it's perfect for a gift. And there's so many pages for pictures that I'll probably have to do like 2020, 2021, and 2022. And yeah, that's my album. So thanks for watching, and hope you subscribe to my channel. And again, I'll link the 2 parties that inspired me to create this. Again, it's Carolina's Crafts, and the tutorial that LMS Crafty Creations will be on the bottom. So give it a like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye.